We're going to make a pie crust. This is going to make 2 pie crusts with this one recipe. I've got here 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just add it to a small bowl. We got 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to take a pastry blender and we're going to blend in 2/3 of a cup of lard. I'm going to use lard, and we're just going to get this in here and we're going to break it up with our pastry blender. And we're just going to make it up and get it all mixed up until it crumbles like the size of peas. So we're going to get that all mixed up and we'll be back when that's done. So now that we got the lard mixed into our salt and flour, you can see it's kind of crumbly. Now we've got 6 to 7 cups of cold water, and we're just going to add these in gradually. Don't want to add it all at once. And we're going to mix this with a fork. We just want to get this mixed up and into a ball. And this is going to go rather quick. You want cold water because you want this to firm up a bit. You could add some ice to your water if it was warm in your environment that you're in. Six. And just kind of push the dry into the partially wet. I've got about 1 tablespoon left, and I'm going to wait till I have this pushed in nice. And then I will see if I really need to add it. Yeah. Now I did measure this out ahead of time. So that is 7. And then we'll just get this formed into a ball. So you can use coconut oil or you could use lard. And lard is my favorite for making a flaky crust. Now it's getting kind of hard. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to form it into a ball. And then we're going to let it sit. We're going to cover it and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Just kind of get everything mixed together. And you can see all the flour is pretty much out of the bottom there. Okay, we'll get it in the fridge after we get it into a bowl and we'll cover it. All right, we're going to divide this into 2 since we're making 2 pie crusts. So I'm going to cut it into 2. And then we're going to use some flour on our surface. And we're just going to do a light dusting. And we're going to roll out our dough. Don't forget to add a little bit to your pin. And we just kind of want to round it out so that'll be round in the shape of a pie crust. So we'll get that done. I'm going to take my pie plate and I'm just going to make sure it's big enough, and that looks pretty good. And now I'm going to get something to lift this off the counter. We're just going to peel it up nice and easy. Maybe I don't need that. And we want to be able to put this in our pie plate. This would work too. So when I roll out the next one, I'll make sure I put down enough flour. We're just going to set it in our pie plate, kind of get it centered, and I'm just going to let it sit, and I'm going to start making the next one. So for this next one, I decided to try a little wax paper on my counter, and I did put a little bit more flour down. I'm just going to get this kind of started, kind of round it. And now this will be the top to this pie crust. So you're just going to move it to try to keep it in a circle. Putting a little water underneath the paper is going to help keep it sitting still. We're going to try that. Okay, I got my water. I'm just going to put it on the counter to keep the paper from moving. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll give it a try. Oh yes, that works really well. And that, my friend, is how we make a pie crust. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to save it, you can just roll it up in the wax paper and put it in the fridge to keep it chilled until you're ready to use it.